What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be taking the CTSV. We got her right here. So right now we are going to pretty much head to spring. There's a car meet going on. It is I think they're called the Houston Head Turners, but you know me with the Savage decals, we're gonna go rep Savage. So you know what, we're gonna go crash the party. I don't think it's a good idea, but you know what? Let's just hop in the car. Let's air it up because it takes a couple of seconds, about like 30 seconds to air up the car so I could drive it. So you know what? Let's just go do that and pretty much go on the road and see what cars show up. I know one of my buddies is going to be out there, AJ, Sinclair Photo. He's going to be out there. I don't know about Cars Across Texas. I don't know if he'll be there. Most likely he will. But you know what? Yeah, let's just head out. Hey, what's up, guys? So right now we are at 290 and Barker. We're meeting up with my buddy right there, Anthony, with his Camaro, full bolt-on Camaro. So right now he got to pump E85. So from here I think we're gonna head out to Spring to the event. And yeah, I haven't seen his car since the hood was done. I think that's all he did was the hood. But yeah, I already filled up because I was trying to get gas earlier last night, and yeah, I couldn't find any gas, so I had to fill up just to be safe. And yeah, we should be heading out from here, so we'll see y'all at the event. What's up, guys? So we made it to the event. So we got all these parking lots filled up across. So this is pretty much a Houston Head Turner meet, and I came in with the Savage Cadillac, so it's all covered with Savage decals. But you know what, let's do some montage of this whole event, and yeah, let's see what type of cars are out here.